Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we shall show you how to change sleep schedule on your iPhone. As you can see, this is how the sleep schedule looks like on your iPhone. So to change it, these are the detailed steps. Step number one, go to the health app on your iPhone. So this is the health app and this is how it looks like. So step number two, tap browse at the bottom right and then tap sleep. Okay, so after that, step number three says scroll down to your sleep schedule and then tap full schedule and options. And then step number four says do the following: add a sleep schedule, tap add sleep schedule and then change a sleep schedule, then tap to edit it and go ahead and save it. So after doing that, step number five says you can set the days you want to sleep and then you can also adjust your bedtime. So this means when your bedtime is done, the alarm will automatically ring. So that's it guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.